Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.